On today's episode, I am really excited to deep dive into aesthetic biohacking for hair loss. We have a new way to biohack hair loss, you guys, and I'm going to break down all of the nitty-gritty details, including some things that you can do at home to stimulate hair follicles, more thickness, and more hair growth. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Perfect Dose podcast. I'm your host, Dr. Kristen Herzog, board-certified nurse practitioner and injection specialist. On today's episode, I am really excited to deep dive into aesthetic biohacking for hair loss. We have a new way to biohack hair loss, you guys, and I'm going to break down all of the nitty-gritty details, including some things that you can do at home to stimulate hair follicles, more thickness, and more hair growth. So let's start with causes of hair loss. So hair loss can be caused by a number of factors. It can be caused by your age. As we age, our hair is going to get thinner. We're going to have more hair loss. It can be caused by genetics. Sometimes, unfortunately, we are not blessed with amazing hair genes. So if your dad, your mom, somebody has receding hairlines or bald, male pattern baldness, that can be genetic. And other things that influence hair growth are going to be hormonal changes, postpartum, thyroid issues, everything like that. So I am really passionate about this episode because, like many listeners here, I have suffered from hair loss. So postpartum, I had a lot of issues with my hair. My thyroid got all messed up. I got diagnosed with Hashimoto's. I started noticing that my hair was falling out. It was thinning. I literally dyed my hair brown and decided to go on this entire hair growth journey so that I could grow my hair back. So I'm really excited to talk about how I biohacked my hair loss. So options for hair growth can be surgical or non-surgical. Surgically, you can go get a hair transplant. And there's a lot of factors that go into that, including cost, finding the right provider, and making sure that you're gonna get optimal outcomes. And then there's non-surgical options. And non-surgical options before this treatment were PRP hair injections. And I love PRP. PRP is amazing. If you've been listening for a while, you know I am a fan of everything regenerative. So PRP is platelet-rich plasma. What we do is we actually draw your blood, we spin it down in a centrifuge, and it separates your platelets from the rest of your blood, your red blood cells. And your platelets have growth factors in them. Those growth factors were injected into your scalp with a needle, and then they would stimulate your hair follicle to grow and have more thick hair, more hair follicles. What was great about PRP is for most people, it worked. For some people, they wouldn't get optimal outcomes. And that's because PRP is really dependent on the quality of your growth factors. And those growth factors change with age. If you have any autoimmune issues, just your overall health in general, we really can't predict the quality of your growth factors. But this is a treatment that there was. Now, downside of PRP was that it freaking hurt to get injected. If anybody here has been injected with PRP hair restoration, it was super painful. Lots of little teeny micro needles in your head. And that's when we would inject the growth factors. You would wait for results about 4 to 6 weeks. You would need a series of anywhere from 3 to 6 treatments, depending on your overall goals, depending on how much hair loss that you had. And then you would wait. And like I said, patients would get really great outcomes, and then there were patients that would get kind of okay outcomes. Now we have a new way to biohack hair loss, and that is with AlmaTED. AlmaTED is this next level hair device, you guys, and what it does is it actually uses ultrasound technology to open up the follicles, and then we can drive peptides, growth factors, things that make your hair grow into those channels to stimulate hair growth. So think about this. This is literally taking away the downtime. This is taking away the needles. This is taking away any pain associated with the procedure, right? And what's really great is it's utilizing this proprietary blend of amino acids, of growth factors, of peptides. So we are literally putting a controlled, predictable outcome into your scalp because we know these growth factors and these peptides and amino acids are going to work. Now, what I like to do in my practice is supercharge my treatments. I love supercharging my treatments. So I recommend mixing this AlmaTED serum with either your own PRP or with exosomes. And that's just going to enhance your results. It's going to get your results much faster. So it's literally going to supercharge your TED treatment. Okay, not only does AlmaTED use ultrasound in order to drive growth factors and peptides into your scalp, which is how it's going to work to grow your hair, but it is also improving the blood flow in your scalp. So that's really important because as we get more blood flow to our scalp, our hair quality is going to be better. The quality of our hair follicles are going to be more active and improved. So you're going to get better results. So who's a candidate for this treatment? If you have hair loss, if you suffer from hair thinning, if you suffer from hair shedding, if you want the overall quality of your hair to be better, if you want thicker hair, if you are a male and you have a receding hairline, if you have bald spots, you are a candidate for AlmaTED. Now, what's really great about this treatment is not only that it has no needles, no pain, no downtime, but the prep work for this is super minimal. All you have to do is come in with clean hair and not wash your hair for 24 hours after. And that's because we're opening up those channels, driving in that serum, improving the blood flow to your scalp. So you don't want to do anything to disrupt what we just did to your hair. Now, just like anything, it takes time to get results. We have to make sure that we are being patient. Typically, you will notice in 2 weeks, improved hair shedding, improved hair thinning. But if you're expecting to see actual hair growth, it's going to take time. I always tell my patients to plan to start seeing results after their second treatment. Now, treatments are typically spaced 4 to 6 weeks apart. And then you ideally need anywhere from 3 to 4 treatments, pending what type of hair loss that you have and what your overall goals are. So you're going to need to go to an AlmaTED provider and have a consultation set up. I myself had this treatment, you guys. This is what changed my hair. It is freaking amazing. I'm going to show you guys my before and after so that you can see a side by side of what my hair looked like after baby and what my hair looked like now. And I actually just did my 3rd treatment. I did supercharge my treatment, so I'm waiting on my results. So I will definitely be sharing an update in about 6 weeks. That way I have full results from my 3rd treatment. But the results, you guys, are insane. My hair feels thicker. It's grown 3/4 of an inch, which is awesome. And this is literally only since December. So it hasn't even been a year. It's been 6 months. And I've already seen so much improvement and change in my hair. Now, what's great for all my ladies listening is that this treatment can also be done with extensions. It is extension safe. So it doesn't mean that you can't get this treatment if you have extensions. I actually have 1 row of extensions in right now just for a little bit of length. My hair is literally so thick. It's amazing. I don't need it for any thickness. I just want a little length right now as my hair continues to grow and heal from my thyroid and postpartum. So this can be done with extensions. Now let's talk about maintenance because I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering, okay, how do I keep up with this treatment? So your hair is not going to fall out if you stop getting AlmaTED. AlmaTED is going to stimulate your hair follicle. But what's important to know is that these treatments do require maintenance, meaning if you want to continue to have less shedding, less hair thinning, you need to keep up with this. Maintenance is typically going to be 1 to 2 treatments a year, so super minimal. And that's because just like as we age, we lose our collagen and it affects our skin. The collagen loss in our body is also impacting our hair. So as we lose collagen, our hair is going to thin and shed. So it's important that you maintain this procedure and your results by getting this done 1 to 2 times a year. Now, for those of you at home who are like, okay, I don't have access to this treatment, or maybe you've had PRP injections and you're looking to maintain your results at home, or maybe you're getting AlmaTED and you're like, what can I do at home to supercharge my results? Because we can always supercharge our results. There are a few things that I recommend doing to stimulate your hair growth to promote healthy hair. So number 1 is going to be scalp massage. And I love a scalp massage. I actually got my scalp massager on Amazon. I will link it for you guys in the show notes so that you can see. It was like $5. What I do is I scalp massage every single night right after I get out of the shower. Now, what's the benefits of scalp massage? Scalp massage is going to improve the blood flow in your scalp. And by improving the blood flow, you are going to have thicker hair follicles. Your hair follicles are going to become more active. Now, it's important to understand results and have realistic expectations. Just doing scalp massaging alone is not going to change your hair. It's not going to suddenly make your hair grow longer, or if you have a receding hairline, this isn't going to give you dramatic results. So I'm still always going to recommend biohacking your hair loss with something like AlmaTED or with PRP injections if you don't have access to AlmaTED. But if it's something that you can do at home and you're looking to improve the thickness of your hair, scalp massaging has been next level. It's something that I am incorporating into my hair care routine. And like I said, you can literally get this on Amazon. It is not expensive and it's really easy to do. What I do is I use it after the shower for about 2 to 4 minutes and then I go to bed. It's literally it. The next thing that you can do to biohack hair loss at home is red light therapy. Red light therapy is amazing, you guys. What it does is it stimulates collagen, it reduces inflammation, it increases the energy to our cells. We can do red light for our body, we can do red light for our face, and we can also use red light for our hair. Think about this. If red light is going to reduce inflammation and stimulate collagen, what it's gonna do for your hair is gonna create a better environment for your hair to grow. So it's going to encourage your hair follicles to get out of the resting mode and get into the grow mode. And it's going to allow for a healthy environment to produce healthier hair follicles, to produce thicker hair follicles. It's amazing. It is, again, an adjunct treatment. So I want to make sure everybody listening understands that red light therapy may not be the answer for you if you have significant hair loss, but it is something that you can do at home to improve your thickness, improve your hair quality. There are some studies that show red light therapy improves your hair quality, improves your hair growth. And in fact, one study in particular showed that the placebo group, which is the group that got no treatment, versus the group that had treatment, the control group actually had 30% increase in hair growth compared to the placebo group who got nothing. So that compared to the placebo group who got nothing. So that is significant and really cool. The next thing that you can do at home to biohack hair loss is eat a high protein diet. Eating a high protein diet is super important, you guys. Not only does it give you better energy for everybody on Ozempic, it's going to help prevent muscle loss, but eating a high protein diet stimulates collagen, and it's better than any collagen powder that you can buy at the store. Listen to my episode on collagen if you haven't already, because this is a game changer. Protein is the building block of collagen, and the amino acids that we consume through animal protein are released into our body and help stimulate collagen. So you're gonna notice that your hair is healthier, longer, it's gonna prevent breakage, and it's something that you can literally do at home. Okay, so I'm gonna break down my exact protocol for how I am biohacking hair loss. Number one, I'm doing AlmaTED treatments. I am not a gatekeeper, so I'm sharing it with you all. AlmaTED is how to biohack hair loss in 2024. It's no pain, no downtime, and it freaking works. I have done 3 treatments. The before and after results that you guys are looking at now are from 2 treatments only. I'm gonna take some pictures and show you guys the results after my 3rd treatment once it's been 6 weeks. The next thing that I'm doing is I'm eating a high protein diet. I literally start my day with eggs, turkey bacon. I'm eating like a bowl of beef for lunch. I'm trying to incorporate lots of protein into my diet, including raw dairy. It's something that we give our baby at home, and it is so good, you guys. I think it tastes better than real dairy. The other protocol that I'm implementing is scalp massaging every single night. Like I said, I will link my scalp massager that I got on Amazon for super cheap in the show notes. I do this nightly after I get out of the shower for around 3 to 4 minutes. And last but not least, red light therapy. Red light therapy is something I do every single day. I do it on my face, and now I am doing it on my hair. Thanks for tuning in to this week's episode. My name is Dr. Kristen Herzog. Follow me on Instagram at The Perfect Dose. I will see you guys next week.